Good morning, you guys. I am getting dressed real quick to work out. The boys are eating their breakfast. Miss Avia is still sleeping. But I'm kind of letting her because I have to get the kids ready for school, and then I'll just get her something. I'll bring like one of her fruit bars or something for her to eat in the car when we drive the kids. I never know what to wear. Alright. So I'm just getting, I haven't made my bed yet. Look at that. Just getting ready. And then I'm actually not doing the gym today until this afternoon. So what I'm going to do is come home and work out. And then this afternoon when Jackson is here, because all the kids are better now. They're all fine. They're not sick anymore. When Jack's here, I'm actually going to take all 4 kids to the gym, which I haven't done yet. But I'm going to do that after school. After we pick up Ty, we'll just head straight to the gym. And we'll see if that works out. We'll see if Avia handles it. If she does, I'll just switch my gyms to the afternoon instead of the morning time. And then just do a smaller workout at home in the morning and then do my bigger workout at the gym after. So we'll see if that works. We are getting ready to go pick up Ty. I actually should have left like 5 minutes ago, but I'm just getting ready to go out the door. And then we gotta run, pick up Jackson, and go to the gym because I didn't go earlier. Could not make it happen this morning. Yeah. So we're just getting ready. Riker, honey, run, get your coat. Okay. Avia's hair looks so cute today. I should show you guys. Avia, come here. Come here. Not your backpack, your coat.
Where's my coat?
I don't know. Go find it.
Oh, yeah,
Look at your pretty hair. She's emotional. Here, honey.
I'm not going to come. No.
No. Styling your hair. Gotta vacuum my dirty car. Woo! No. She's a baby. Because she's a baby. We're at the gym. Hey, Xavier. We're parked. We can't go in yet because we have an appointment for our kiddos, and so the appointment to go in at 5:30.
We are kids.
Your kids, not kiddos? Okay. So we're just hanging out in the car for a few minutes, and Avia's playing with the blinkers. I do playing blinkers. Oh, bless you. Are you playing with the blinkers? Yes. You look so cute today. Look at these little boots, you guys. They're adorable. They like fold down too to be cheetah print, but I lift them up today. You look pretty adorable, baby. I like clipped her binky under her shirt because she's always losing it. Hopefully that will keep it on a little better. And her hair looks so cute. What? Who are you going to be tomorrow for Superhero Day?
Astro Boy.
Woo! Are you excited?
If you don't know that,
if you don't know, but that movie, go to Amazon shows and
Amazon Prime.
Amazon Prime, and you can watch Astro Boy and a lot of other ones. But pick the Prime ones. And by the way, if you like America's Funniest Home Videos, don't watch Goosebumps.
Because that made sense. Do you like that app, the America's Funniest Home Video app?
Yeah. And by the way,
They have this free app and you can watch their movies on it.
And by the way, never trust a dummy. I mean by the wooden figure dummies, like the things where they're puppets. They sit on your lap, then you do controlling them with your arm.
I don't kick
Never trust one of those dummies,
Okay.
especially when they're alive.
Like Pinocchio?
No, like the one from Goosebumps, Slappy.
Oh, honey, I've never seen Goosebumps.
I have. I seen the new Goosebump movie.
He saw it at a friend's house and I was not happy. We don't watch that show. Are you driving? Heck no, huh? You still have another 15 years before you can drive, Kay. 14 if we live in Montana. Because 15 is the age you get to drive there. I love her hair. So cute. She has a lot of hair for a 1-year-old. Cute? Yep, you're cute.
Am I
Cute.
Ooh, I know. When you make me look like Astro Boy, we should vlog what I look like.
We will. Tomorrow we'll show them what Astro Boy is.
And I'm gonna, Mommy. If we could if my dad was an inventor, he could probably make my snow boots into jet boots, and I could fly to school.
Whoa, that'd be
like,
awesome. That'd be so cool.
I don't know. I wish.
So cool. You wish you could.
I wish I can, because if I could, then the duty guards would be like.
Would they be mind blown?
Yeah.
Oh,
and they
yeah.
would be like, "Get down from there," and I'd be like, "Nope."
Oh, that's not good because we can't not mind. We have to mind.
But
We have to follow the rules, huh? Follow the rules. Alright guys, Amy is mad. We are home. She wants her clothes back on, but gotta get jammies on. And she knows that means she has to go to bed. Look, I got princess jammies out. Hey, you don't want to do that? Hey, look at me. Look at me. That is a far drop. Nope, you'll get hurt. Stubborn toddler. Where's my girl? Are you laugh crying now? Oh, you have hiccups. I love you. I was so mad at Mom. Can we get your shirt on? Shirt? Here. Shirt. Here. Oh, are you gonna vlog? Oh, baby vlog. It's the baby vlog. Oh, it's the baby vlog. Are you showing your dirty room? Good girl. Are you vlogging? Look, vlog mommy. Hi. Hi, baby. Are you vlogging me? Hi. Look at those cute toes. Are you showing your toes? Look. Look on the screen. There's your toes and your pinky. Look, show your toes. Look.